In this video, we will show you how to clean the tip of your welder. When it is this dirty, you must use an ammonia salt bar to compensate for welding. Do not forget that it is very important to use a fan extractor and smoke purifier. Ready to solder, you have to solder the joints first and then start soldering the whole stained glass window on both sides. If you have any questions, please write me and I will answer your question. Go ahead, you can do it.